My locks are way down, my scalp is itchy, I'm way overdue for another retie, so come and do my lock routine with me. Hello my fair beauties, today I'm taking you through my wash, retie, moisturize and styling routine, so let's dive right in. Mine to help me with my itchiness. It's a pre-shampoo. I love the applicator. It goes straight to your roots. That's not something I will never do again, go that long without a retie. So right now I think this is 2 months. The ideal time is 6 weeks, but me about 2 months, that's like the sweet spot for me. And if I go longer than that, I know I'm gonna have locks issues, and I don't want that. I hate losing locks. Anyway, massaging this thing all over my scalp. And then they said to leave it for 10 minutes, and after that you can get in the showers. I shampoo with the Mizani scalp care shampoo. I like it because it has zinc on it. It helps cleanse my scalp and eliminate bacteria that cause flaking and irritation. I make sure to give my scalp a good, when I tell you a good scrub, all this itchiness has to go. And once I rinse it out, the flake, the itchiness, the dandruff, everything is gone. Like, this is a miracle product. I'm very grateful for it. Next, I go with a deep conditioner. Yeah, you heard me. Deep conditioner. And I know it's a bit controversial in the lock community because, you know, build up and all that, but my locks loves it and I haven't had any issues with it. But I make sure I rinse it thoroughly to avoid buildup, of course. Back, and we're gonna hydrate the locks. I'm gonna add a little bit of this moisturizer. I love it because it's very liquidy. I'm starting from the back because usually the back never gets enough hydration. It's usually the front that gets the most fun. When I tell you, these things are always thirsty. Go down the string, making sure I get every single strand of hair of locks. Okay, some castor oil to lock in moisture. I'm going towards the ends of them. And make sure they are moisturized. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry and then I will start interlocking soon. So see you in a few. So my hair has dried finally. It's been a day or two. Anyway, I've been procrastinating. In order to have a successful retie, you need to organize your locks, and I like to put them in 4 sections that keep me sane so they're not mixed up all over the place. Oh my god, I don't know what to do with that because this is really nasty. This one I'm just going to braid it because because it's loose and short. Braiding it is the best option. I usually get a little slippage, maybe 1 or 2 locks in the back or around the perimeter, and that's completely normal. It's a high traffic area with a lot of movement, so especially when you're showering or washing your face. Constant movement cause them to unravel. Talk about my method of choice. I've been using 2-point rotation since the beginning of my Locs journey, and I have never had any issues with it. Some people say it's not as tight as 4-point rotation, but honestly, that's not true. The 2-point rotation is exactly what it sounds like, and you can choose where to start. Alright, let's move a little closer so you can really see what I'm talking about. Top to bottom and then back to front. Again, we're gonna do that again. So top to bottom and then back to front. This is a process you're gonna keep repeating over and over and over again. It's very tedious. Oh my god, I finished. I'm done. I can't believe it. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you remember how I started, how the front looked like, and then how everything is so neat and tidy right now. Right now we're going to style, and for me to style it I need to wet it again, and then so I can braid it. So I'll be right back. I like to braid my hair, and also I braid it very tightly because I like my braid out to come out super nice. I don't use mousse, it's just conditioner. So that's pretty much it. And this is the braid out. This is how it turns out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, support your girl. Come on. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.